All right, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. I've been busy. I actually had a few videos made, but one got corrupted. The other one was a racing video down in Mexico, and I just didn't feel like it was the greatest quality because with the GoPro, you can't really zoom in. You can't really see who won. And to be honest, at this rate, I don't really know who won. So next time I go to the races down in Mexico, I'll make sure I write down who wins and all that, and maybe what's done to the car. But if you guys do want to see that video, it is a good video, and there's a lot of racing in there down in Mexico. So maybe I will post that eventually, but I just didn't want to post content that wasn't really up to par with what I'm used to posting. So I know it has been a little slow, but we're back, we're grinding. I got some good video ideas, and today's video I got a new mod. So this has been one that's been in the works for a little bit. I've had it for quite a few weeks. I went to go install it the one time, and I got scared, not even gonna lie. I also started late in the day. I started at like 4 p.m. So I just gave up. I was like, you know what, maybe next week we'll come back at it, or I'll pay someone. But I ended up doing it myself, and I was gonna make a whole video on it of the whole installation, but I'm gonna be honest with you, it was terrible. It was the worst installation I've ever did, and I don't recommend it to anyone. But either way, here, let's get to it right now. Let me show you. I think this is awesome, man. You've probably seen a lot of cars on YouTube or Instagram with this, but it's just, I don't want to say makes it unique, but just like at car shows and stuff, people are just gonna stop and be like, whoa, I got compliments everywhere, So all right, let's get right into it. I'll show you right now. All right, so here we go. Here's the front of the car. All right, hope you guys are ready. All right, that is white, so that looks stupid awesome. Man, look at that. My car's a little dirty. Now, mind you, I did this, these are all the different modes, so here it is. On the top, it shows modes. You can do all different colors. That looks pretty badass. All right, let's get a good shot. Woo! All right, so I'm gonna go over the whole process maybe in another video since I didn't record it, but I've had a lot of people say make a YouTube video on how to install it. I could explain it because, I mean, there really isn't much to it. It just takes forever. So installing these took about 10 hours, not even gonna lie, like about 10 hours. Mind you, I had to go to the store a few times to go grab new things and such, but I never, other than putting the splitter on, and I did that with someone else, I never really took off the front bumper. So I took off the front bumper, and then I had a friend help me with like a little bit of other stuff, like where to put the wires and all that. But the whole headlight housing, so little quick rundown how it works is you got to take the front bumper off, then you got to pop out the headlights, then you got to bake them in an oven, or you could use a heat gun. But I baked it in the oven, so I baked it on like 225 for 15 minutes, and then you got to take a little pry tool and pry the whole headlight housing apart, which sucked. That was the second worst part. So once you do that, you want to clean all of the old like silicone or whatever it is off the headlights. You want to clean all the old silicone off the headlights, and that right there was the hands down worst part. Definitely the worst part. Took forever. I actually had to go buy a heat gun because it just seemed a lot easier. So I went and bought a heat gun and put it to the silicone, and then went through and scraped it out. I mean, that took hours alone, literally hours. The first one was terrible. The second one actually went really smooth. I don't know if I got lucky or whatever, but I really do not recommend this install on anybody. Pay a shop $500-600. I still to this day wish I did, because time is money, and when time is money, you can't pay for an install with a warranty and you think you're gonna do a better job. There's no way. Just take it to a professional. So I'm gonna show you some other things. Let's see. We got solid colors too. That's like that's a blue. That's kind of like a cream white, it seems like. Might be actually better at night. Red, that looks pretty badass. My favorite color, like solid color, green. I think that looks sweet. And there's like, I mean, let's see, 200 modes, plus I'm pretty sure there's other stuff. Yeah, see, there's so much you could do with these. You could speed it up. You could slow it down a little bit. Let's find a good one real fast. So I'm actually sponsored by Lightning. Ooh, that's pretty dope. Yeah, that looks awesome. We'll leave it right there for now. So I'm sponsored by Lightning Trends. I am not fully sponsored, but I got a discount code for everyone. I'll put in the link below, or I'll put a link with the code below. It's 17 Shy Daytona 392, and you can use that code and you can get a little discount. But I think it came out amazing. Like I said, it took about 10 hours. I had my one buddy Mo help me for a little bit, and then my sister helped me, and even towards the end of the night, because so I started at about 11:30 and by the time I got done, it was about 10 o'clock. So at about 8 o'clock, it got really dark, and I was by myself. My sister had to go do something, so I had to get my mom to help me. Seriously, had to get my mom to help me to put everything back together, just to hold certain things and help me with the bumper and such. So shout out to Mo, shout out to my sister, shout out to my mom. And like I said, thank you for coming back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this new install right here. And just so everyone knows, I said this, I don't know, I think maybe in my last video, a few videos ago, phase 2 of the build has begun. Phase 1, there's a lot of things. If you want to go watch my other video, I explained everything I did to my car in phase 1. So there's no real like blueprint to what I'm doing. It's just kind of whatever I want to buy, I buy. Usually it's 1 to 2 parts a week, but I'm starting, I don't know, my car's getting there, you know, so it's gonna start getting a lot more expensive. So the installs are gonna slow down a little bit, but I'm guessing, look at that. So like I said, I spent a lot of money on this car, building it up. So if you can, subscribe to this video, like this video, please. It really helps me. We've been growing like crazy, and it's awesome, especially for not even like posting like I was. But I try to bring you guys some good content, you know, something different than all the other Chargers. But I'm gonna make a new video on everything else that I'm gonna do to the car, and what the plan is, what the goal is. You know, a little thank you for all my subscribers, like saying thank you for the 100 subscribers. And let's see, maybe mod list, maybe we could do that. Oh, and I actually forgot, any day now I should be having another mod coming in. Not going to tell you exactly what it is, but it's not a visual mod, it is a performance mod. So that should be a super awesome mod. I will not be putting that in. I'm gonna have to pay someone, unless I could find someone with a lift, but as of now I don't know anyone with a lift. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I hope you like the car. To me, it looks awesome. I get compliments, people just pointing at me like, whoa, you know, it's absolutely crazy and awesome. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the video. Subscribe, like the video, and have a good one. All right, so let me know what you guys think of the video. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, you'll probably see a lot more of this, and I'm sure I'll be putting in many videos, because come on, it looks so good. But so yeah, like I said, like the video, comment if you like the headlights. I'll put the headlights in the description too. Subscribe to my channel because we got a lot of things coming. I'm gonna say I got a video coming that's with my mom, and it's super exciting. She doesn't know about it, but it's gonna be a great video. Don't miss that. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and have a good one.